Hi guys, welcome to another SOLIDBugs video release. In this video, I'll show you a neat trick to install Windows 11 without bloatware. Windows 11 installs by default of unwanted software, while most of the bloatware can be uninstalled manually. This is tedious. Tools exist to automate this process, but leftovers will always remain. By the way, if you have already installed Windows 11, I made a video on how to debloat Windows 11. So check out my channel. There is a way to reinstall Windows 11 without bloatware. I will now show you how to do it. First, download the Windows 11 ISO, which you can get for free. I have also made a video about it. Burn the ISO to a DVD or make a bootable USB stick. Then start the installation process. According to this Windows latest article, you can avoid installing third-party bloatware by using a simple trick. If you select a certain language code, the PC cannot communicate with the servers during the Windows 11 installation. This neat Windows 11 bug lets you skip the bloatware installation. I'll show you exactly what you need to do to have a bloat-free Windows 11 installation. According to the article, English World and European English language code will work. Select one of the two and press the next button. Depending on your keyboard, select the right layout. This step is optional and can be changed later as well. Press Install now to start your bloat-free Windows 11 installation. While you wait for Windows 11 to install without third-party bloatware, please press the like button to please the YouTube algorithm. We content creators obey and glorify the all-powerful, the all-knowing algorithm that is the forger of our happiness. If everything goes well, a dialog appears with the message "Something went wrong." That's it. Contrary to what the dialog says, everything went well. You will soon have a bloat-free Windows 11 installation. Press the skip button. Name your computer if you wish. You can change that also later. A few minutes and a bunch of restarts later, you will encounter another possible issue. Microsoft will ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account or do not want to use it, there is a solution to this problem. And you know what? I have created a YouTube video that shows how to solve this problem as well. I don't want to spoil my video, so I'll just show you, but not tell you what to do. I am a bad man, you know. Again, if you see this dialog, everything went well. You do not need to create or use a Microsoft account to log in. Add a username. I suggest to use SOLIDBugs and email me your password. I am also a social engineer hacker, you know. Okay, my jokes are getting flatter. I better stop. Finally, the installation of Windows is coming to an end. Almost there. Be patient.
3, 2, 1.
Hooray! Windows 11 has been installed without third-party crap applications. You have saved valuable space on your computer hard drive. Your computer might be faster now, and your privacy is protected, at least from the prying eyes of third parties. According to Windows latest, Microsoft is already informed, and they are working on a solution, so be quick. Remember to change the region back to the correct value, or some apps like Microsoft Store won't work. In a few clicks, you've mastered a bloatware-free Windows 11 installation. Take charge of your system, skip the clutter, and enjoy a seamless computing journey ahead. Looking forward to catching you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. More flat jokes for a better world. Over and out.